Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into Cardano ADA. Right now at $2.32, over a 9% increase in just the last 24 hours, coming from about $2.09 all the way up to this $2.38 price point, and then dropping back down and hovering around $2.32. So a lot of movement and a lot of activity regarding Cardano in this bull market. We've seen this before, and we'll see it again. Cardano is one of those coins that has so much value, so much utility. A lot of people, as well as retail, as well as institutional investors, are looking to get involved with Cardano on this next up streak. We have seen the all-time high push to $3.10 with the help of smart contracts coming to the platform. We also saw market cap reaching almost $76 billion right now yet again. So it's great to see Cardano back on the move up. If we take a look at the last week, about an 18 to 19% increase. In the last month, a very, very small 3.46% increase. So after smart contracts were released, obviously the hype did die down. We saw it drop all the way down to about $2. And from there, almost actually to $1.85. From there, we've had this rise back up to 232, and we're going to have a lot of more in my opinion, a lot more reasons to believe Cardano is going to continue on its push back up to a possible new all-time high by the end of this year, in the end of the bull market specifically. Let's take a quick look, though, at the very first tweet before we jump into price predictions at the end of today's video. I do want to say, guys, we talk about so many coins on this channel daily. So if you want to stay up to date with Cardano, Chainlink, all of the coins, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is InputOutput really IOHK, I should say. Blockchain can be used to monitor environmental compliance, holding global institutions and businesses accountable and leaving them with nowhere to hide from transparent, audible data. So this is something that a lot of people need to realize. There's huge possibilities and potential behind what Cardano is doing. There's so much really smart money moving to Cardano as well. As we take a look at the next tweet, this one talks about a new blog continuing in our education mission and commitment to fostering the adoption of blockchain technology worldwide, and we are announcing the launch of a half-scale program course in Ghana. So this is another great, really educational course coming to another great country. So hopefully we continue to see IOHK push out, reach out, and do these great things regarding not just, the growth of the coin, but the growth of the entirety, of the ecosystem itself of Cardano. So let's jump into the next tweet. So this is really interesting to me. Cardano Foundation put this one out November 5th. Still obviously relevant, if not even more so by now, but the almost double the number of transactions for all of 2020. So Factoid Friday, did you know in the month of October, Cardano's on-chain activity grew by 50% with a total number of transactions at 2.62 million. That is absolutely huge, massive for, Cardano's growth as a whole. Before we talk a little bit more about a couple articles regarding, Cardano's price, where it could be going by the end of this year and the end of the bull market, I want to jump into my Twitter account specifically. So if you guys aren't following me on Twitter, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, it's linked in the description below. Just click that link and follow me there. We have a couple cool things going on. So as promised, 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 link by the end of November. All you have to do is follow and retweet to be entered. Definitely take advantage of that, guys. As we have more to talk about, though, it's easy to pick the winners in a bull market. However, it's hard to pick all coins that won't lose 80% of their value in a bear market. Cardano is one of those coins I truly believe is one of those coins that won't lose 80% of its value in a bear market. Every coin's going to lose value in a bear market. However, Cardano, 80%, that's not going to happen. I think it's going to be closer to, anywhere between 30 to 60% for Cardano and its losing of the, really value in a bear market. So another great coin to hold long term, in my opinion. I will say, guys, before we get too much farther into today's video, I want to say I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. But in the past 7 days, following just a few of my videos, there's been tons of profit to be made in crypto. Here are a few. So these were just a few of the 7 coins and 7 days of videos I covered these coins, and they were continuing to see huge increases. Hopefully you guys are not missing out. And by not missing out, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to really see more regarding crypto content. We have more to talk about, though, regarding Cardano. So Cardano could retrace before targeting $2.70. The key takeaways being Cardano has surged nearly 18% since Monday's open. Farther buying pressure could push ADA to $2.70, and still prices could retrace before meeting the bullish target. So the Cardano breakout, we talk more about where we could break out to, $2.70 being a little bit of resistance there, and a very important push past $2.70 before the end of this year. We've talked about the Cardano breakout, where we can actually head before this end of the bull market as well, but we're going to talk a little bit more about that in this video, or really this video as well, but this article as well here, seeing why Cardano price is ready for massive breakout that will outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is a great article by Sarah Tron in FX Street, and you can see here Cardano price appears to be preparing for a massive rally that could see its token rise 30%. Although ADA has been consolidating in the past 9 weeks, the token is just starting to reveal bullish intentions. Cardano price could outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next rally as it sliced above critical resistance trend lines. So this is absolutely huge for Cardano to continue to see big possibilities and potential in the next couple of months ahead. I will say, jumping back to Cardano, we've talked about where we could be headed in previous videos with the most recent TA and a very, very bullish 10.47% increase in the last 24 hours. Cardano is well on its way past $2.70. A lot of us expecting new all-time highs by the end of this year alone. By the end of this year, I specifically did some TA. I looked at the prices. I've been looking and monitoring the really news coming around Cardano. Obviously, news has an impact on the current price and where it could be going as well. Cardano's looking very, very solid. I'm still thinking anywhere between a $4 to $5 price point. I've said $3 to $5. I've actually upped my price with the most bullish, really couple months coming into play here. $3 to $5 is just a little low in my opinion. I've been saying $3 to $5 even with the push of an all-time high over that $3 price point. Obviously, $3 to $5 is still relevant. I think it's still going to be a possibility that we don't get to $4, but $4 to $5 by the end of this year is still definitely something I think is going to take place. By the end of the bull market, we're definitely seeing more of a possibility for Cardano to reach $7 to $10. A lot of people still talking about a potential $10 Cardano by the end of this bull market. We'll see if that's definitely going to be the case or not, but we'll definitely keep you up to date either way through it all on this channel. So if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I will say as well, down in the description, we have a link to so many different exchanges. If you guys are looking to trade cryptocurrency on not just maybe Coinbase, but you want to use somewhere that doesn't have as high fees, we have Voyager links, we have crypto.com links, we have all the links down in the description below to help you out with whatever crypto needs you have. Also, a Patreon down below if you guys want to continue to support the channel and stay up to date with ICOs, IDOs, and pre-sales. It's going to be all those great opportunities. So far, we are about 100% on profit on these pre-sales and ICOs and IDOs. So I'm always giving you guys an opportunity to get in, first off and foremost, and then number two, a coin that actually has value and actually has real world potential. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, I'll see you all in the next one.